And the fog is back for your morning commute. Bob Anthony's in the Weather Control Center. And Bob, I'll tell you what, coming in from Meridian this morning, you couldn't see anything.
Yeah.
It was very thick.
That's what we're hearing from Ron O'Brien. He mentioned that in Canyon County, he had to almost crawl his way to work this morning. It's pretty thick out there, unlike yesterday morning. It was pretty thick in the western end of the valley and around the Magic Valley and Mountain Home, but this morning, Boise's getting in on the thick fog, so allow yourself some extra time to get where you're going this morning. And watch out for that black ice that is oftentimes a problem when the temperatures are below freezing and we have pretty thick fog. Rain is a possibility later on today, about a 30% chance increasing to about an 80% chance by tonight, and dry and mild after today's rain. The rest of the week looking pretty good, nice and mild with temperatures in the lower to mid 40s for daytime highs. Normal highs are in the upper 30s this time of the year. Of course, the big story the morning is the fog for the Weasel River Basin into portions of eastern Oregon, throughout the upper and lower Treasure Valley, almost into the Magic Valley. Visibility is quarter mile or less. That's the criteria for a dense fog advisory, and we have one in effect until 11 o'clock. 28 degrees, that's what I'm talking about as far as cold enough for some black ice out there on the roads. Watch those overpasses. 28 in Napa, Caldwell at 28. McCall has 19 degrees. Here's our weather scenario. Many times when you have stormy weather in one half of the country, like we're having back east, you have pretty nice weather, the kind of the opposite weather on the other half of the country. So mild and dry for much of the west. However, the only fly in the ointment is this guy right here. This is a storm that was developing yesterday around Baja. It's now moved into central California, and this will be spreading some clouds up our way. Maybe even some rain. Check out our futurecast. Here's right now. We'll advance it on through. In come the clouds. That's 5:15 this evening. The precipitation still lingering down there along our southern border, but as we move it on through the time steps, here's 10:30. It's real close. I'm thinking Mountain Home, you're at least looking at some rain. We do have a chance of some showers in the forecast for Boise, but we think most of it will be to the east of us. Then we start to clear on out. There's Wednesday, and then as we head into Thursday, no real big changes. High pressure builds back in, and we stay fairly dry. The computer model on our futurecast, our tight view, picking up on that fog, especially the western end of the valley. And then up above the fog, the clouds start rolling in ahead of our storm system, moving up from the south. And we'll pause it there at 10:10. We have the rain showers right on our doorstep there. But I think some of that rain could move a little farther to the west and affect us here in Boise. We're right on the dividing line, so it's kind of a tough call. But as we head into the early morning hours, we start to clear on up. And there's Wednesday as that high pressure builds back in. Oh, there's the computer model picking up on the fog across Snake River Plain. That's Thursday morning at 4:20. It looks like that fog will be kind of with us over the next few mornings. Well, definitely with us for this morning. We have that dense fog advisory. Visibility is quarter mile. Once we see breaks in those clouds, that low stratus deck, we'll see partly cloudy skies for the Twin Falls area, partly cloudy for McCall as well after morning fog. Western end of the valley will stay mostly cloudy much of the day. Same thing for Boise. We might see at times partly cloudy skies in the middle of the day. That's in advance of the storm that moves in later tonight, giving us a 30% chance of some rain later this evening, increasing to about an 80% chance by tonight into the early morning hours on Wednesday. It will provide some additional moisture for maybe even some more fog for Wednesday morning, then partly cloudy and dry after that. Brian, back to you.